Want to learn how to back up your Messenger chats? Follow this step. To begin, start by opening the Messenger app on your mobile device. Then click on the three lines menu located at the bottom right corner. Next, select Settings. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Account Center. From here, choose your information and permission. Then click on Download your information to begin the backup process. Next, click on Download or Transfer information and select the type of data you want to save. At this point, make sure to check only the message box. Then press Next. After that, select Download to device and pick your preferred date range. Also choose your file format and your media quality according to your preferences. Finally, hit the Create File button at the bottom. This action will submit your download request. Once the file is ready, press Download to save your Messenger chats, and that's it. I hope this video helped.